In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for task management. If you're looking to organize your workflow efficiently, Clickup offers a versatile platform to help you manage tasks, projects, and teams all in one place. So let's dive right in and take you through the basic steps to get started. First things first, you'll want to sign into Clickup. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to Clickup, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create or pick a workspace. Workspaces in Clickup act as the top-level hub for your organizational needs, allowing you to gather insights across various areas of your work. If you work in a team, you might join an existing workspace. For personal use or specific projects, you might want to create a new one. Now that you're settled into a workspace, let's break things down further by adding a space. In Clickup, spaces are used to represent major areas of focus within your organization. Think of them as the main categories or departments, such as marketing, development, or personal projects. Adding the right spaces helps you streamline and categorize your workflow effectively. Inside each space, you'll want to create folders. These folders can represent major projects or specific teams within the space. Folders help you further break down your work into manageable sections, ensuring every significant project or group has its own designated area. Take your time crafting these folders as they will house all pertinent tasks and lists. Within these folders, your next task is to create lists. These lists serve as actionable buckets where specific tasks are stored. You might create a list for each project phase or major deliverable. This level of organization ensures that all tasks related to particular projects or goals are neatly arranged and easily accessible. Lastly, to prevent chaos and ensure smooth task progression, it's crucial to use statuses and dependencies. Statuses allow you to track the progress of tasks, from to do and in progress to completed or other customizable stages. Dependencies are vital for maintaining order, as they indicate tasks that need to be completed before others can begin. This feature ensures that you and your team are always aware of task priorities and sequences, avoiding any potential bottlenecks in your workflow. And there you have it. A streamlined approach to using Clickup for all your task management needs. By creating a structured hierarchy with workspaces, spaces, folders, and lists, and implementing statuses and dependencies, you're setting yourself up for an organized and efficient work environment. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!